There is a bug in the latest versions of Kdenlive that prevent importing of video from DJI drones. I have two versions of Kdenlive here, 22.04.3 and 23.04.3. I'm going to install the 22.04.3 first and show that it will import the videos. And let me resize this to fit on the screen. Okay, I have two videos here from my iPhone, so I'll import one of those, and then I'll import the other one. And then I have three videos here from my DJI drone, and I'll import one of those, and then the next one, and the next one. Okay, I could have imported those all at the same time as well. So this one imports all of the videos just fine. Okay, so let's start the next one. I'm going to uninstall Kdenlive. Okay, and now I'll install 22.0 or 23.04.3 and start that up. And we'll do the same thing. I'll import the iPhone videos first. There's one. There's two. And then it doesn't matter which I pick. I can pick one at a time like I did last time, or I could pick all three. So let's go ahead and pull one of those in. And the thumbnail never generates, and it starts spinning and it will crash.